Hello everyone, welcome back to GigaBits. In this video, we're reviewing the Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot, a viral pore shrinking ampule, but is it really effective or just another skincare trend? The product markets itself as a peeling ampule containing exfoliating acids designed to refine skin texture and reduce the appearance of pores. The company even shows so-called clinical results claiming up to 85% improvement after just one use, which sounds a bit too good to be true. It includes ingredients like pentavitin, rice water extract, niacinamide, and gentle exfoliating acids, all meant to improve hydration, regulate oil, and smooth rough skin. Online, there are more than 90 reviews, many of which are positive. Users report that their skin looks clearer and smoother, with reduced texture after regular use. However, there are also reports of product copies and issues with online orders, especially from unofficial resellers, so make sure you buy from the official store. So does it actually work? For people with visible pores, textured skin, or excess oil, the Dr. Melaxin Peel Shot can help improve overall look and smoothness. But it's not a replacement for professional dermatological treatments. Always consult a dermatologist before using strong exfoliating products. Bottom line, it's not a scam, and it can deliver decent results if used correctly. Just keep your expectations realistic. It's a good exfoliant, not a magic solution.